In today's video, I'll show you how to add a photo widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy A05s. Begin by entering the home screen editor, and to do this, simply long press on an empty space on your home screen. Then from here, select Widgets. Under Widgets, look for the category labeled Gallery, and then tap on it to view the different styles you can use. The Galaxy A05s only comes with one style, so you'll simply select it, then tap on Add, and then you'll need to choose between an album or images. Then from here, you'll be brought to the gallery, where you can choose between the album or images, and simply select them, and then tap on Done to add them to your home screen. So now you should see the widget has appeared on your screen. To move it around, long press on the widget, then drag it around on your screen. To move it from one home screen to another, simply drag it across the border, and then let go of the screen when you found a place to put it in. To customize the widget, simply long press on it, then select Settings. From here, you can customize which images you want shown, as well as the display method. So if you wish to change the images that are currently part of your widget, simply tap on Images to show. Then choose between an album or select Images. And then scroll through your gallery and select which photos you wish to use. Tap on Done to save the changes. Now you should see in your preview, the photos have been changed. You can also change the display method, so simply tap on it. Then you have three options: Center and Fill Widget, which is the default, Fit to Widget, and with this option, you can choose to change the background color, the opacity, and have it match with dark mode. And the third option is Stretch to Fill Widget. So you can see them appearing in the preview, so you know what they look like. And once you've selected an option, simply tap on Save to apply the changes. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.